Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I'm still trying to show y'all some easy peasy recipes that y'all can make. You know, like I say, it's the fall of the year, y'all. And school's back in, people back to work full time or whatever. Let's make it easy for dinner. Instead of going to these fast food restaurants and going out to eat. Believe me, I have nothing against fast food restaurants and going out to eat, because I believe in supporting especially mom and pop business, as you know, but everything in moderation. For the best food is what you make at home, and you know what's going in it. So today I'm making some penne pasta bake with chicken. It's very simple, y'all. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make an Alfredo sauce in a pot. I'm gonna boil the pasta here on the side. I'm gonna take this chicken I got from Sam's, cost you $5, $4.99 with tax. You know that roasted chicken you get at Sam's? They love them. I love them. Best deal in the world. $5 for big old whole chicken. I'm gonna take that, pick the meat off the bone. I'm gonna mix all this up with some mozzarella cheese and put it in a casserole dish. Put some more mozzarella cheese on top while I bake it in the oven. You got dinner, y'all. And it's so absolutely amazing. So anyway, I'm excited for this, y'all, because I love me Alfredo. I love me penne pasta. You can use any pasta you want. You want to use macaroni pasta, you can. You want to use tortellini, rigatoni, fettuccine, but any pasta you want. I like penne because it's easier to eat. It's easier to pick up on your fork and go at it. You ain't got to try to twirl it and twist it and all that. Look, I'm hungry. I ain't got time to do all this twirling and twisting and rolling. I'm hungry. Pick it up, put it in my mouth. Let's get to eating. So anyway, I'll be right back. I'm going to get this pasta cooked off. I'm going to get the chicken picked up the bone. We're going to put this Alfredo. I'm going to show you how to put this Alfredo sauce together. And it's going to be on and popping. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all. I got my chicken all diced up here. I haven't got my pasta going because y'all know I like to have my sauce ready before the pasta. So we're going to make a big old pot of Alfredo sauce, y'all. Y'all know I do not like the jarred Alfredo sauce. It is disgusting. So I like to make my own. So we're going to put a lot of cream in here, y'all. It's going to take a lot of, look at that, probably about a quart. We're gonna make about a quart of sauce. That's why I bought this big old container. I ain't playing around here, y'all. We ain't playing around. All right. I got my little whisk here. I'm gonna put some garlic. I like to put a little granulated garlic. You can use fresh garlic, but I use granulated garlic. And yeah, I use this kind of Parmesan in my, don't hate, the green can Parmesan when I make my Alfredo. So anyway, we're going to let this come to a boil here, and then we're going to add our other ingredients in there. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, let's get to work on this fettuccine. Alfredo sauce. Okay, like I told you, I got a little granulated garlic. Got to have garlic in your Alfredo sauce. I like granulated because it blends in better. Okay. Now, the main ingredient here, put this Parmesan cheese in there, y'all. Gotta have Parmesan cheese, right? Got to have the Parmesan in there. I put a lot in there, guys. There we go. Put that around in there. Well, we want this to come to a boil. Put a little salt and pepper in here. Get a little salt and pepper we're gonna put in there. Now what we might have to do, which I probably will, I'm gonna tighten this up with a little cornstarch. Because I'm gonna add that chicken and that pasta in there, it's gonna create a little extra moisture. So that's gonna thin this out. I don't want it too thin. See how quick that's coming together, y'all? How quick that's coming together. Let me move this stuff out of my way. And then right at the end, I'm gonna mount it with some butter. Give it that extra richness to it. Let me taste this here. Oh yeah. Definitely good. So anyway, we're gonna step out. Let this come to a boil. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're back here. Okay. See how that's come to a boil? We're gonna get this little taste here. Cause we're gonna add just a little cornstarch to this. That's like homemade Alfredo. Okay. I'm gonna add just a little cornstarch. This. To thicken it up. Cause like I said, turn it down. See how it thickened up? When I add my chicken and my other cheese to this, I don't want it to thin out too much. Okay. Now we're gonna mat it. Mat it too. We're gonna mount it with a little butter here. At the end. Give it that little extra richness. That's a little chef trick, y'all. Don't tell nobody that. That takes your Alfredo over the top. Just give you a little extra richness. People don't know where it comes from. An extra gloss in your sauce. Hear that? Gloss in your sauce. Hey, I'm rapping now. Chef Jeffrey rapping. See how pretty that come together? See that? You turn this off. Let me give it one more taste here. Check the consistency. That's the consistency I want right there. I'm turn this bad boy off. Y'all. Okay. I'm gonna be right back because I'm gonna get this pasta cooked off. I ain't gonna show y'all how to cook pasta. Y'all know put water and pasta in the pot and boil it. That's nothing to be excited about. But when I come back, we're gonna assemble all this stuff, get a big mixing bowl. We're gonna bring this thing together and put it in a baking dish and bake it off. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, let's get some work done here. Okay. Let me take my pasta off. Oh, bear with me here. I gotta get organized. Just ain't never organized. Okay. All right. Bring my pasta here, y'all. I got my big bowl here. And I got my pasta cooked off 3/4 of the way off, y'all. Like 3/4 of the way. Not all the way because we're going to, of course, bake in the oven for about 20 minutes. So you don't want to cook it all the way off. Y'all got me on that? Okay. I'm going to throw our chicken in here. Okay. We're going to get our sauce over here, y'all. See this. Nice and stir it up there. Y'all with me? I'm going to put a little mozzarella cheese in there. Oh, yeah, we're going good on this, y'all. We're going all the way with this here. Okay. What we're going to do is just scoop this sauce right in here. Matter of fact, I'm going to just pour it in here. I want to give myself some leeway here. Kind of get it all mixed up together. Let me get my heavy duty. Gotta get my heavy duty spoon out, y'all. We about to get serious on this. I had to break out the big gun. I had to break out my dressing spoon. I'll make my dressing with. See that? I'm mixing all, it's gonna be all cheesy in there, y'all. This is gonna be all goodness. Yeah, all this sauce is going in there. Every bit of it. I'm just mixing little by little. Make sure all that pasta and chicken just soaks in all that sauce. Okay. Okay, let's pour the rest of this sauce in there, y'all. All right. I'll get the rest of this sauce put in here. All right. Add a side there. Okay. Oh, see that? See where I'm going, y'all? You can eat it just like this. You don't even have to bake it. I gotta give it a little taste. Like I said, that pasta watered down the sauce a little, so I gotta make sure it's good and salty. Not salty, but seasoned. I don't want it salty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Let me get my bowl here. My bowl. My pan. Casserole dish. Get it right, Jeffrey. Okay, y'all know what I mean. All right, get all that in there. Y'all see where I'm headed here? You know how Jesus feed the multitudes with 2 fish and 5 loaves of bread? I'm gonna feed the multitudes right here with this big old pan of pasta here. I still ain't through, y'all. Still ain't through. We going back with us with some more cheese. A little bit more Parmesan cheese on there. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see where I'm headed? Y'all see where I'm going with it. Now we're gonna put a little bit more Parmesan on top. Put a little Parmesan on there. Come on, get on there. Get on there, Parmesan. We're going in the oven about 25, 30 minutes, baby. So this thing is nice and bubbly, golden brown. And we're gonna have us a 1 pot, 1 pan, 1 dish meal. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Just took it out the oven, nice and bubbly. Look at that, y'all. Y'all know I can't eat this yet. I'm getting excited, running over the tripod here. Absolutely amazing. Nice and bubbly. Pasta's cooked in there, cheese is melted on there. Like I say, you can feed at least 6, 7 people out of this. Easily. Feed 6, 7 people out of this big old pot of goodness. So, anyway, I'm going to let this cool down, y'all. And then I'm going to come back here and get me a plate of this, a bowl of this. And I got to show y'all how good and cheesy and delicious this is. And y'all see how easy it is. All you got to do is do not buy, I'm saying this right now, do not buy that George Alfredo sauce. You see how quick and easy I did it homemade. Also, you can do this, another one of these meals. You can do it all the way ahead of time where you put the cheese and everything. And when you get home from work or get home from school or church or whenever you're making it, just put it in the oven. Of course, when it's come out of the fridge, it's going to take a little longer, common sense. Probably take you about 45 minutes in the oven. But yeah, you can pre-make this ahead of time, y'all, and just bake it when you get home. Very simple. Get you some garlic bread or salad. Hey, you got a full meal ready to feed your family. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Check this out, y'all. Check that out. Look at that good old pasta right there, y'all. Oh, my goodness. You can see this is definitely not dry. And it is definitely hot. Got that chicken in there. Trying to get a good bite here without burning my mouth up. Look at that. Look at that there. Going in. Y'all. Look at that. Oh, wow. I'm speechless. I am speechless. And y'all see how easy that was to put together. Let me give me another bite of this, y'all. Oh my God, y'all. Look at that. One meal deal, right? One meal deal. Plus the pasta in there, your chicken. Like I said, all you need some garlic bread, y'all. Look at that. And you can use whatever pasta you want. I use penne, ziti, rigatoni. Something I can pick up on the fork and go to town with it. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please follow my social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2024. Stop wishing, start doing. Old school soul food. Till next time, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.